heart, so why you gotta take it and tear it apart? Yeah, I give you my heart, girl, I give you my heart, so why you gotta take it and tear it apart? Yeah, I give you my heart, girl, I give you my heart, so why you gotta take it and tear it apart? Yeah, I give you my heart, girl.
Okay, I gotta get down. On today's episode of Jocko Moto, Jocko is facing struggles in the 2003 Mazda Protege 5. He's experiencing a crank no start. What could it be? All the humanity. Today on Jocko Moto. Today's video, we're looking at these deal coil packs from Amazon. I was able to buy this for $27 shipped, I believe. Comes with 2 coil packs for the Protege. Right now I'm experiencing a crank no start issue. So, down. So I'm gonna do what I can to trace it. And I figure the coil pack is a good place to start. At your local O'Reilly's, you're looking at about $30 something for these parts. Off Amazon, I was able to find both of these for $27. So, as much as I think it's important, oh shit! Well, that broke. As much as I think this is important to, oh geez, you know, support a local store. Oh, dude, I totally broke that. As much as I think it's important to support your local store, damn it. I think saving money where you can is important. So next thing I need to do is just to undo these here and go grab some tools and undo these old guys and see if this fixes our problem. Let's get started. So these 2 up here I've already loosened off camera are just a couple 10 mils. And these will come right off. I can't believe I broke that one, dude. What a bummer. Ooh, this is soaked in oil. What? Why is... That's weird. I am gonna have some bolts delivered, so I'm hoping that comes in time. Why would that be covered in oil though? There's only like a few ways there'd be oil, and that'd be from the valve cover. So let's just put these aside, pull this guy out. Also covered in oil, like really covered in oil. What the hell? This cannot be good. All right, I'm gonna put this in here. It's a much better seal. Let's just hope that this stops the oil from passing. Or these new coil packs are a much better seal, so let's just hand tighten this here. Hand tight. This one will go down. Hand tighten these as well. I can't believe that was as wet as it was. And I just changed the valve cover gasket, so what's really going on here? And I'm just gonna snug these down. No point in really should be good. Plug this back in there. Plug the coil pack back in. All right, so everything's plugged in and snugged down. Fingers crossed. Let's see if this actually works. I would be so stoked if my car worked again. know what to expect, but I hope this works. Nah, nothing. Still the same. And you know what else? The tachometer doesn't move, which is why I thought that this video, it's exactly why I thought this video was not going to be what I wanted it to be. Is because when I go to crank the car, I don't see this move, which tells me that the car doesn't know that the crank is spinning. So what that tells me is that it is a crank position sensor. It's a sensor that the computer is talking to the car and tells it when it's trying to start, when it's driving, things like that. So luckily I have that part ordered, but that's it. Hopefully that can help somebody out there, but I doubt it. I mean, a coil pack on a 2003 Protege should be pretty easy for everyone here. Okay. Something interesting to note though is that when I went to crank the car, I did it twice, and when I went to crank it, the car had like a subtle backfire. It's like freaking weird. It's like pretty gnarly. It also gave off like a really strong like burnt smell, which I didn't like that at all. But so I don't know what else to do this episode. Yeah, maybe that's it. So that is it for today's episode. I hope you guys don't mind these shorter videos that are like more like theatrical, you know. I figured that breaking my videos down into smaller, shorter videos might be able to reach a broader audience. So that's kind of why I'm doing that. This coil pack video will be followed by another video until we find the problem. That way I can start introducing playlists into my channel and also just hopefully help people out. So that's all that we got for this week. The Toyota van, its radiator is out for repair. So hopefully we'll have some more Toyota van content coming soon. But that is yet, let's not get too ahead of ourselves here. Anyway, and also the Miata is also in need of an intake gasket, so we'll be doing that shortly here. But yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the corners. Peace.